How to check follow requests sent on Instagram after update. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Click on the search option. Now at the top you'll find the search box. Over there type in the username of the person whom do you think you have sent the follow request. And with that you will be able to see if you have sent the friend request or not. Likewise, another thing you can do is head towards your profile page. Now at the top right corner you can find 3 bars, click on it. Now navigate to the option of account center. Click on the option of your information and permissions. Click on the option of download your information. Click on download or transfer information. Click on all available information. Check in for the option of download to device and click on next. Now from here you can select the date range. Likewise, you will be notified through this email address. You can select the format and then you can select the media quality. Once you customize these settings, click on create files. With that you have just requested for the file that includes your follow request. Once your file is ready, you will be notified through the email address that is linked with your Instagram account. After you receive the file, just open it and with that you will be able to find your follow request. Well, this way you can easily check follow requests on Instagram after update. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.